Hi there, gorgeous. In today's video, I am reviewing a ton of new gift sets for you this year from LA Colors. And the best part is everything I'm showing you today is $5 and under. And you can find these new gift sets in Family Dollar stores. So first I'm going to show you a tutorial of all the products that, not all the products, I'm sorry, a few select products from the LA Colors gift sets. And then at the end, I'll walk you through a few of the other gift sets that are available with mini reviews, swatches, etc., etc. So in case you're looking for something for someone you love, or you want to pick up a little something for yourself, I hope you'll find this helpful. Okay, I'm trying to film this in between two little kiddos napping. We may have a baby joining us because I know Jet will sleep through this entire filming process, but Gia might not. The eyeshadow palette I'm using in this tutorial is the classy one from LA Colors. Beautiful mixture of colors. $1 for this little palette. I'm going to start this look with this shade right here. Very nice, very nice. I mean, can you believe that this is $1 for this little palette? Oh, wait until I show you the rest of the eyeshadows. You're going to be amazed. Not only do these apply really well, but they blend equally as good. Look at that. That looks beautiful. That is why I chose one of the little $1 palettes to show you as part of this tutorial, because I was blown away by the quality. Back when I was a kid, if you got a $1 palette, you were lucky if you even got it onto the sponge tip applicator that came with it. They were terrible quality. Next eyeshadow I'll take from this little palette is this one right here. Very simple eye look today. I'm not going to do anything really super creative because I'm trying to beat these two kiddos from waking up. But you can see what I mean. Oh my gosh. Last shade I'm taking from this palette is the deep brown on the end. And I'm going to use that on the outer half of the lid. Look at that. Oh, these are just amazing. Amazing. I'm going to keep saying it because I am simply blown away, especially with mattes. You know, mattes can be temperamental. I'm taking a little bit more of that deep brown and I'm going to blend it up into the outer V a little bit too. This is a great Christmas look too. If you paired this eyeshadow combination up with red lips, that would be a really pretty combination. And blend, and you can see how nicely these blend. Oh, wow. Next product I have to share with you here from LA Colors is their Brow and Shape 7-piece travel brow kit. And I stuck my finger in it accidentally, so you'll have to excuse the indentations here. But they give you a light powder, a medium powder, and then stencils to try, and then an eyeliner, not an eyeliner, a brow pencil for defining the arch of the eye. And the shade that I'm using here is light medium, but they also have a darker set separate from this one available. They have 3 different arch stencils that they offer. I'm going to use the medium arch down here at the bottom. And I'm taking this shade to start. We'll see how this one looks with my complexion. I'll line that up on my brow like that. And then use the powder to fill in. This is a great arch stencil too for my brow shape. I can see this working really well for me. Aha! Well, it does leave a little indentation there, but that's okay. They want you to define that area with the little brow pencil that they provided. And lightly fill in that area. And fill in a little sparse area back over here. And I'll also add some strokes of hair to the inner corner and blend it with my finger. You know, that's not bad. It's really spot on, actually. So we'll flip it around and do this brow over here too. Hopefully we can get them to semi-match. I know they're not supposed to match exactly, but we'll see if we can make them look like they are related. Only thing is they don't give you a spoolie in the kit, so I'm going to use one from a brow pencil I have here and blend that product into the brows. Well, I kind of figured that. We have a little guest joining us here. You're gonna get your first makeup lesson, Gia. That's okay, at least I got my brows done, right? That's the important part. Gotta have brows on. I still have to curl my lashes and add some mascara, but next I am going to apply lashes. LA Colors has this lash vault. 5 different pairs to try. So I figured I would try one of them. Which one should we do, Gia? I think I want to do that top lash there. That looks really pretty. Yeah. Okay, baby in the swing, hands free to apply lashes. Oh, I'm just now realizing for the lashes that they give you with this lash vault, it's all the same style. They look like they were different ones to me at first, but they're all the same. I'm gonna just apply that right on the lash line there. Okay, Miss Gia, we have to apply our face. Our face, yes. Got my face done, and I'm going to go back with a little bit more of that crease color I used in the beginning, and I'm going to run this on the lower lash line. Yeah. And I'm also applying a mascara. This is the Rimmel Scandaleyes Curve Alert. She's such a chill baby. She really is. I could never have done this with Jet. Sorry, Jet, but I couldn't. Next product I'm showing you is the Shape and Contour palette. They give you a highlighter, a deeper contour, and then these 2 bronzing shades. And they also have a little tutorial booklet here to show you how to use these. So the way that I'm going to do it, based off the instructions they gave here, is to apply this shade more or less right about here on my cheek, and then they said to use the bronzing powder right below that, and then add the highlighter on top. Let's try it. And I'm applying this lightly right on the cheek like that. And I have a very small amount on the brush, and you can already see how intense this is. It's really easy to blend though. I mean, once you apply it, you can very easily soften it if you need to. I hope you're enjoying all of the baby sound effects. For the bronzer, I'm taking a little bit of this lighter one right here. I'm going to apply it underneath. That's what they said to do. We're gonna do it their way. And this one needs to be blended because it is really intense. Well, I kind of like that too. It looks pretty with the 2 different colors. Taking a little bit of the lightest shade at the top. I'm going to apply it above the cheekbone right where they said to. I really like this little kit. How much was this? $3? Not bad. LA Colors also has a cute highlighting palette with some beautiful shades in here. These 2 are more shimmery than the ones up top here, but you can use any of them on the areas of your face where you would typically highlight, which is the forehead, bridge of the nose, chin, and tops of the cheeks. So I think I'm going to use this light pink and see what that looks like. That's our new thing. So funny. I was in the kitchen the other day making, what was it? Yeah, Thanksgiving. I was cooking for Thanksgiving. And, ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I barely had anything on the brush there. Wow. Anyway, I was cooking for Thanksgiving, and there was a moment where Jet and my husband had gone to take a nap. Gia was awake with me, and I was waiting on a friend of mine to arrive so that she could help me with Gia and I could continue cooking. And I was trying to do things while Gia was sitting there with me in the kitchen, and at one point she just went to try and get my attention. It was so stinking cute. For my lips, I'm not going to apply color. I'm going to leave them just like this and apply a balm. I'm using one of the LA Colors Balm Besties. These are so adorable. Great little stocking stuffers, by the way. And they come in a variety of different animals and flavors. This is cherry and a little bitty cat. I love keeping this in my diaper bag, by the way, because Jet loves to play with it. Of course, Just a FYI, always supervise your kids if they're playing with something like this, especially if they're under the age of 3, because obviously these are choking hazards. But I love them because something for me, something for him to play with when he gets bored, and it's a win-win for everybody. Now I know what you're thinking. There is no way that $1 eyeshadow palette stayed on your eyes. It must have faded by the end of the day, right? Well, this is what my face looked like at the end of 8 hours of straight wear. That eyeshadow is as vibrant at the end of the day as when I first applied it. Color me very impressed. The contour is still strong on my cheeks. The highlight is blazing. The eyebrows look fantastic and the eyelashes are incredible. Overall, very, very happy with everything I have tried from LA Colors. So to start this review off, we'll talk about those little $1 eyeshadow palettes, because the one that I showed you in that tutorial is not the only one that they make. They make 2 others. So they come in these cute little names. The one I used in the tutorial was Classy, but they also have Sassy and Flashy. Same great pigmentation with these other 2 palettes as you get with the one I showed you in the tutorial, and I was very impressed with all of these. And they make for great stocking stuffers too. They're very cute, compact. You can put them in your purse. Absolutely love. And speaking of stocking stuffers, there are a lot of really unique ones from LA Colors this year also. They have a whole set of these lip balms that are simply adorable. Like you saw in the tutorial, they have the little animal ones, which are super duper cute and functional at the same time. But they also have these little safari lip balms. They have these round lip balms that are similar to that other very popular brand. I can't think of who it is off the top of my head. And they have lip balms that look like macaroons. And the quality of these is really good. I will tell you that the ones that are red and pink have a tint to them, so when you apply them on your lips, you get a little bit of a tint with that moisturizing lip balm. And the lip balm lasts for a good amount of time on your lips too. More stocking stuffer ideas for you here. They also have these Glow Now Skin Illuminators for $1 a piece. And these are very rich in pigment. You would apply these on the high points of your face where you typically apply highlighter. And I was very happy with the results from these. They also have these $1 nail file sets. You get 3 nail files for $1. I mean, you can't beat that. And everybody needs a nail file. I am constantly using mine, losing mine, having little toddlers break mine. They also have these Beauty Buzz 6-piece kits, and they come with eyeshadow, lip gloss, eyeliner, lip liner. And let me just tell you, the eyeshadow is just as good in these kits as the $1 eyeshadow palettes I showed you in the tutorial. Very richly pigmented and great color selection here to choose from too. One of the other gift sets they offer are these Mood Setter interchangeable eyeshadow palettes. This is like nothing I've ever seen before, but I love the concept with these. What they are is you get 3 different palettes with a container, and you can interchangeably take the eyeshadow out, put a new palette in, and you're good to go. And again, like with the $1 eyeshadow palettes I showed you, rich pigment with these. Very happy with the quality. I just have to tell you that up front. The only thing I'm not too keen on with these interchangeable palettes is, where do you store the ones that you're not using? That's the only dilemma that comes to mind with these. If you have a suggestion, feel free to list it below, but that is my only worry with these, because I don't know about you, but I'm a klutz. I am constantly sticking my fingernails in eyeshadow, and if they're not protected, they're gonna be covered in my claw marks. LA Colors also has these metallic lip shine sets. They have a nude set and a little bit more colorful set. And the pigment with these is super duper intense. You can see in the swatches I'm showing you here how easy it is to get these to apply. They don't bleed, they don't feather, they wear for a pretty good amount of time on your lips, despite the fact that they're a little glossy in finish. I'm very happy with these and highly recommend Very happy with everything I shared with you here today. Super impressed by the quality shown here from LA Colors. So if you're looking for something for that beauty lover in your life, or maybe something for yourself, hey, there is nothing saying that you can't buy something for them and for you, because at this price point, you're not spending a lot to do it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Let me know your thoughts on LA Colors, and if you've tried any of these gift sets out, would love to hear your feedback below. I'll see you again next time.